Hello. If you want to stand out as a VA in 2026, you must know how to use Google Workspace because this is what clients expect you to master. Most clients won't train you. They expect you to know how to use Google Workspace. Let me walk you through on all the features you need as a VA. In Part 2 again, I will walk you through how to use Google Workspace, the exact tools you need, and how you can use it to support your clients. Google Workspace is a collection of tools that helps you collaborate, communicate, and work with your clients in real time. Come with me as I walk you through the essential tools you need for your Google Workspace and I explain what you actually need them for. Here you have all your Google Workspace. So I am going to talk about the essential tools you need from here as a VA. I am going to start with your Gmail. Your Gmail is not just for sending and receiving information. You are as a VA, you're going to use Gmail to manage your client mails. You're going to use it to organize their mail. You are going to use it to organize their mail and also respond professionally to clients. If this video is already helping you, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Next, we have Google Docs. So we have Google Docs. Google Docs is used for your writing, content writing, XOP, meeting notes. Clients love these tools very well because they can edit and comment in real time. Google Sheet is essential because you use it to track your leads, your schedules, your expenses, and clients love this because they see your project progress. If you're a VA or an aspiring VA, comment VA, I reply to comments. One other tools we have here is Google Calendar. As a VA, you schedule meeting, you manage your client's calendar, and you make sure to avoid double bookings. So next we have Google Meet. I have a detailed video on how to use Google Meet. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Google Meet is basically a tool where you set your virtual meeting, where you have your interviews, and you can also do your team check-ins on Google Meet. The next tool I'll talk about is Google Form. Google Form is a tool where we get information from customers. You can use your Google Form for feedback. You can also use it for onboarding your new staff, and clients love this as it gives a professional vibe when you want to get information from customers. Most remote jobs and clients already use Google Workspace. So if you master all these tools, you're already reliable and immediately look professional. I have an ebook that helps VAs get started. Check the description button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.